All right. Now let us look at this question here. Equilibrium of forces. The question here said the diagram below. This is the diagram. Illustrates three forces T1, T2, and 100 Newton in equilibrium. Determine the magnitude of T1. Look at this diagram here. Look at the direction here. Direction of this one showing that this is a vector. They are all forces. T1 is the force, T2 is the force, and 100 Newton is the force. So now let us draw a small sketch. Like I always say that sketch is very important in physics for the purpose of clarity. If anywhere you can draw, in fact, always draw sketch anywhere you can to make your work very clean. Alright, let us take the sketch here. Solution. Now I will have first one here. There's a one that moves straight like this line. Direction is all you use to know which one you're talking about. This one is 100 Newton. There's one that moves towards my right hand side. It moves like this, and if you see it here, this is T1. And there's one that moves like this. It moves towards that side. This is T2. Listen. Now you can see this is the longest one. It means that here is hypotenuse. Now there's angle here, which is angle 30. I told you in my previous video that where this curve is showing the opposite. And the line where the right angle and the curved angle touch is adjacent. Okay, now you see that a beautiful right angle is formed. Let us reference in our acronym. Always reference whenever I'm talking about angle here. Acronym SOHCAHTOA. Yes. Now let us know which one we're going to use. Are we going to use sine or cos or tan? Let's check. If we are to use sine, check opposite over hypotenuse. This is opposite, this is hypotenuse. We cannot use sine because none of them is given. T1 and T2 is not given. Can we use cos? Adjacent over hypotenuse. This is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. We are not looking for T2. They ask us to determine T1. So probably we are going to use tan, which is opposite over adjacent. So we now say 10 tan 30 equal to opposite, which is T1 over this one, which is 100. So if we cross and multiply this now, T1 times 1 will give us T1. 100 times tan 30, 100 times 10, 30 degrees. Now, always use your calculator. This calculator will make you solve it very fast. But for me, I will use the trigonometric ratio or spatial angle. Since 30 is spatial angle. Now, what I will do here is, if you go to my previous video concerning tan 30 cos 30, you will understand this very well. So what I will say now is, I will say T1 equal to 100 times tan 30 is root 3 over 3. That is tan 30, root 3 over 3. So what I will do is, I will now say my answer should be 100 root 3 all over 3. So if you use calculator in your own by punching tan 30 times 100, you are going to have something of this nature, 57 point something. Use your calculator, you can get it. But if it's like this, it's correct, because this one shows that you apply your brain totally. Bye.